Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss near conduct machine learning based price forecast for near regression analysis and accumulation strategy and estimated bull run target for near. None of the content is financial advice. For this one, we have been using machine learning model trained on weekly price action for near. Right now, the price action for near is coming in at around $5.35, and this weekly price action instead of in a candle pattern, this is at a weekly averages, and based on that the machine learning model has forecasted couple of scenarios in the bullish market as well as directionality related analysis and bear case forecast. So starting with the directionality related model, the likelihood forecasted by the model for the near price action, this is the pink line, which says that all things equal, without any bullish or bearish narrative, the likelihood of near price action going up with time is higher than going down with time. In terms of the bull case with one standard deviation confidence, or 68 percentile bull case, which is non-euphoria kind of a bull case for near between $6.33 till about $17 till end of May of 2025, the next 6 months. In case of a euphoria case for near, near did exhibit euphoria between October 2023 till March 2024. In that kind of an environment, the two standard deviation or a peak forecast for near is between $7.26 and about $45.65 per the model. In case of a pullback or continued bearish downturn, the price action could be between $2 and $4.78. So the purpose of these models or the forecast, again not financial advice, is based on what the market throws at you, being ready for those kind of scenarios. What price actions would do is determined by the market forces. Again, no model can forecast if the prices have to go up or down, and based on some seasonality, especially with the post halving year about to commence in the next week. Looking at the last post halving year, which was in 2021, you can see price of near exploded from about $1.30 to about $18, about an 18x within a span of a year. Again, near did peak in the early part of 2022, although towards the end of 2021 the price action had already risen to about $13 at a weekly average. Going to the brief technical analysis, again this is on its USD pair based on the Fibonacci retracement. The first key level to watch is the $5.94, corresponds to 0.23 fib level, the 0.38 fib level at around $9, and it's on its USD pair. On its Bitcoin pair, if near has a run to the 0.38 fib level, that would correspond to a rally on its Bitcoin pair at around 256%, and in terms of return, that would be about a 3.5x return on its Bitcoin pair. If that kind of a scenario pans out, again I would imagine that could only happen if Bitcoin has a major top already, achieved its major top already, like it near ran after in 2022, early part of 2022, when Bitcoin had already topped in November 2021. So in that kind of an environment, if a 3.5x rally of near on its Bitcoin pair, if let's say Bitcoin goes to 160k, that is again almost 1.6 or 1.7x from the current price of Bitcoin at around 95,000. Again, you can check over here, based on the market cap. If we sort this again from 95,000, let's say a 1.x or a 70% gain on of Bitcoin on its own USD pair, multiplying 3.56x for near USD and 1.7x for Bitcoin USD, on top of near USD price action at around $5.35. That gets you USD forecast for near in that kind of an environment at around $32.37 for near USD. Again, that would put near somewhere between $32 at around forecasted at if that kind of a euphoria phase lasts for let's say the first 3 to 4 months of the post halving year of 2025. That gets you to the, near gets to the $32 level per the machine learning based model. In terms of analyzing the regression based valuation for near, again the fair value for per the regression analysis at around $7.14. That means prices are close to this one standard deviation bottom again at around $4.49. If on the other hand, again the purpose of this model is to analyze the relative valuations at any point in time, again price action below this green line in the bear market is a great buy per the model. And also above this one standard deviation ceiling coming in right now at around $11.24. That's when the price action gets overheated, and again the major top usually occur at around 2 standard deviation residual applied to the regression model. Back in March that was at around $8, and right now it's at around $18. And if let's say near takes about 3 to 4 months more to go to the top of this 2 standard deviation channel, that 2 standard deviation channel could be somewhere between 25 and $35. Again this analytics gets updated every single day. You can check them out on cryptoweeklies.com, the link on the bottom of your screen. One row dedicated to one crypto. In terms of the accumulation based model, the the SMA, or the simple moving average, that is 20-week simple moving average based risk reward analysis. Again this model did help determine the March 2024 top, when the price was gone too far away from the 20-week moving average at that point in time. Right now the risk level is at around 40% risk, 60% reward at this point in time. The target, the moderate target for near is between $11.22 and about $13.78 in terms of the next 20 weeks worth of guidance for the model. And the higher end is at around between $14.30 and $15. In terms of the next model, the regression based model that we saw at a weekly level, this is applied at a daily level. Per this model, the risk levels are at between 10% and 20%. Again this model also identified the March 2024 peak when the price was too far gone away from this regression line. With this model, again the guidance for near is again above 70% risk is between $13.40 and about $18. So again these are shorter term estimates of what the prices could do. In terms of the time weighted average price model, again price has come really close to the time weighted average price, marking a territory close to low risk environment as we head into 2025. Again the risks are about 16%. In terms of this blue line, again in the bear market especially, accumulating below this blue line as a range for multiple years eventually works out if the underlying asset has some good narratives as well as has some meaningful presence in the next bull season. In terms of now the estimated bull run peak for near with respect to a composite analysis of all the models, the weighted risk is at around 20%, representing a reward of about 4.75x, estimated bull run target at around $25.66. And with this I would like to highlight the confluence between this bull run peak as well as the estimated target based on Bitcoin pair at around $32, as well as the machine learning based 2 standard deviation peak at around $32 in early part of the second quarter of 2025. And with that I can conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.